Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ybus by singular method. The transformation of primitive impedance matrix is necessary as it do not provide any information about the behavior of connected elements and the network variables. It is presented with the impedance of individual elements. It means that the Ybus by singular method, the formation of Ybus will not give any information, but we have to do for another complex solutions. It uses for the easy way of to solve the complex solutions. Now let's see the derivation. Since we know that by admittance form primitive network that is I vector plus j vector is equal to y primitive into v cap. This, let it be equation 1. Operate with A transpose both the sides. A transpose into I vector, A transpose into j vector is equal to A transpose into y prime into v bar. Let it be equation 2. From study, the first term A transpose into I transpose, A transpose into I vector is equal to 0. This is the equation for KCL at each bus. And similarly we have A transpose into J vector is equal to Ybus. Now the equation 2 implies 0 plus Ybus vector is equal to A transpose into YPRI into V bar. We have V bar is equal to A into E bar into bus. Therefore, this equation becomes I vector bus is equal to A transpose into Y prime, where V bar is equal to this A into E bar bus. And also we have I bar by B bar, E bar by E bus. Take this here. This implies take E bus into the denominator side is equal to A transpose into YPRI into A. And this whole thing is admittance, that is Y bus is equal to A transpose into YPRI into A. This is the equation for Y bus by singular transformation. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe my channel. If any doubts and queries related to these questions, you can join my Telegram group, link in the description, and comment me for any other queries. Thank you for watching.